Hello students, my name is Sandeep Kumar Sani and today our topic is microphone. What is microphone? Microphone is a device which is used to convert audio signal into electrical signal. For example, this is your microphone. Which microphone can convert? This microphone can convert my audio signal into electrical signal. After that, they process. There are different type of microphone, uh, just like your carbon microphone, moving coil microphone, and wireless microphone, which are using in our daily life. First of all, I share your PPT so you can easily understand on the working and construction of microphone. I am sharing a PPT of microphone so you can easily understand the working and their concepts. First of all, microphone is a transducer. Microphone का basic function क्या है? That is used to convert acoustic into electrical. Or the function of loudspeaker is used to convert an electrical signal into audible signal. Basically, there are two types of transducer. First is sensor type, accurate type. First is your sensor further divided in parts is small, long, and same as it is other part is large, higher. Depend. First is your carbon microphone. Carbon microphone. The circuit diagram of carbon microphone is shown in your laptops on your mobile phone, which devices you are using. Uh, this is your carbon part. Okay, and this is your diaphragm. When the sound signal is strike on diaphragm, and then diaphragm apply the pressure on carbon, and this is your transformer, and here is a battery is applied. The property of carbon is when we compress the carbon, then the resistance of carbon is reduced, and when the carbon is expand, the resistance of carbon is increased. This property is used in carbon microphone, so it is used to so it can convert audible signal into electrical signal. According to our pitch, the pressure is applied on diaphragm, and diaphragm press the carbon inner side and outer side to so the resistance of carbon is vary. If the resistance of carbon is vary, the flow of current in a circuit is also very because due to Ohm's law. Ohm's law said that V is equal to IR. When resistance is vary, then voltage drop across your primary terminal of transformer is also change, and flow of current is also change. That variation of flow of current is observed from their output device, output voltage. The output voltage is obtained from this terminal, secondary terminal. So variation is depend upon your sound pressure which we apply, which we are apply on diaphragm. Okay, and this is your bucket in which the carbon is um, stored. This is your circuit diagram uh, of carbon microphone. Next is their application. Their application is it is used in telephones, public address systems, and two-way radios, and computers is used, and it is also used in live recording. Sorry, uh, sorry. This is a many application of carbon microphone. But there is the main application of carbon microphone is your telephone. In starting, their carbon microphone is mostly used in your telephones. So, and the response of carbon microphone is very good in audible range because, but in woofers or tweeters, that means in high frequency range and lower frequency range, the response of carbon microphone is not so good. That is a disadvantage of carbon microphone. And this is disadvantage of microphone is that is very noisy. and poor frequency response. As we already discussed, the Tarbo microphone is very good response in audible frequency range, that is 50 hertz, 500 hertz to 4 to 5 kilohertz. That is audible frequency range. That is very good. The Tarbo microphone is very good in audible frequency range, but in the case of lower frequency range, less than 500 hertz or more than 5 kilohertz, then Tarbo microphone response is very bad. That and it required battery or power supply. If there is no power supply or no battery, then Tarbo microphone is not used. That is a big disadvantage of Tarbo microphone. Next is moving coil microphone. The moving coil microphone is work on the principle of electromagnetic induction. In electromagnetic induction, it said that the current carrying coil in magnetic field, when the coil in a magnetic field, if you start moving, then it generates electric current. Or we can say that our right hand rule or left hand rule. Right hand rule. When here is a diaphragm. When sound signal is strike on diaphragm, there is a coil in between magnet. According to sound pressure, the coil moves inside or outside. Due to that, the magnetic lines which is come from this magnets are cut by the coil, and there is small amount of current flow in their coil, and which current is obtained from their output devices. That the electrical signal output is totally depend on your sound signal. According to the sound signal, the diaphragm, according to sound signal, diaphragm is vibrate, and when the diaphragm is vibrate, the coil is move from inside and outside. Due to that, there electrical signal is formed that are observed from this particular point, and with the help of amplifiers, we can amplify that signals. This is a basic diagram of microphone. Your last exam, there is microphone topic come in 5 marks questions. Okay, and your last year exam, your Tarbo microphones come in 10 marks questions. So it is most important both are 5 marks or 10 marks questions. One question is come from in by microphones. Mostly carbon microphone is most important in out of these. Next is applications. It is closed mic applications, and it is also used in the live recordings. And the main advantage of a moving coil microphone is it does not require a power supply. It is also used in studios and live shows. This is your basic application of microphone. Your moving coil microphone. Next is your cordless microphone. Cordless microphone is used in our news recording or TV shows or interviews in which there is some transmitter at the belt of enter, and at receiver side there is a receiver which receives the signal and convert it into audible signal. There are two parts in cordless microphone. First is your transmitter and second is your receiver. In transmitter part, the first is your mic. The main function of mic is used to convert audible signal into electrical signal, and that electrical signal is very low voltage signal, and so we have to pre-amplify the signal and signal process the signal. We have to pre-amplify the signal. After that pre-amplifier, noise is removed by signal processing. Proper audible electrical signal are formed at this level. Next is RC circuit. RC circuit, the main function of RC circuit is to modulate the signal. If you want to transmit the signal from transmitter to receive, we have to modulate the signal. So RF modulator are connected in this part. And after that, that is the RF amplifier to amplify the signal, and single tail, that is antenna, is used. With the help of antenna, the signal can transmit it. This is called as audio circuits, and this is called as radio circuits. Audio circuits means we have to process in the audio signal. Radio circuits means it process or it start modulating the signal to transfer the signal to receiver. This is a plot diagram of ट्रांसमीटर योर हैंड माइक जो आपका माइक्रोफोन होगा आपके हाथ में होगा ये उसका ब्लॉक डायग्राम है। नेक्स्ट इज योर रिसीवर जो हमारा रिसीवर है उसका ब्लॉक डायग्राम कैसा होगा। फर्स्ट इज योर एंटीना रिसीवर साइड पे। नेक्स्ट इज RF signal processing. After that, at transmitter side there is modulators, at receiver side there is demodulators. After demodulating, the signal get processed. After that, it audio drive lines and then converted into given to loudspeaker to provide the audible signal. This too, there is always, not even always, there are many times there is short notes term on storedless microphone. There is 5 marks question in which we can explain both diagram or your transmitter and receiver. If anybody have any doubt regarding any topic, you can WhatsApp me, mail me, or call me anytime. Okay, thank you.